Dear all, Dr. Vishal from Vishwa Medical Coaching, and we have already announced so many batches in an online live lecture program. And the demo which we are going to give is on the app called as a free conference call. Now, remember, regular lecture will happen on Google Meet or Zoom cloud meeting, depends upon the number of students, because we can choose the participants in that. In the free conference call, what we have kept as an demo, when you in that you will get a link of the invitation on the WhatsApp group. When you click on that link, you will be given an option like open with what. So when you click on that particular link, you will be given an option of whether to open with a free conference call app or a Google Chrome. You always choose the free conference call app, the app that is already being installed in your phones. When you click on the free conference call as a choice of opening, you will be getting this particular dashboard. How would you like to join? As in call in option or using a mobile data option. Now remember, you always choose the call in option using Wi-Fi or data, so that the lectures is going to become very smooth. When you click on call in or using Wi-Fi or data option, you will be getting this particular dashboard. Now this is our logo of the meetings, and this particular thing will be shown to you in the when you open through the app and choose the mobile data or Wi-Fi option. Here you can see the number of participants. Here is a voice option. Here is your audio option, which you can keep muted, or we will keep you muted for some time whenever the lecture is being going on. And you can have, when you have a doubt, you can always raise your hands or maybe unmute yourself. This is the video option. We always keep the video option crossed, so that the data sharing becomes less. This is the recording option, which is disabled by the host. You will not be able to record it. And this is an option of leaving the meeting, and this is an option of whether you like the lecture or something like that, you can share. So, and at this particular stage, we usually share our whiteboard, a digital whiteboard. You'll be able to see the digital whiteboard as soon as you'll be logging into the account and the meeting, and there we take all whiteboard sessions. We'll write on the board and you'll be able to see it and you'll be able to interact. This is how the demo is going to happen. And then depends upon the number of students, we may either choose a Zoom cloud meeting, or we may choose a Google Meet, or we may choose the other options which has got the same technique to join. There is a link on which you can click on the link and open through the app. There's nothing more. You always keep your phone charged adequately. Always keep at least 500 MB per hour of the lecture. Minimum 500 MB is required for maybe 2 hours lecture maximum. So the session is about 1 hour. It will be utilizing about 100 MB or 200 MB per hour. This is what is an average utilization of the data. So see you all in the demo, and let's hope for the best. Thank you.